The world is on the brink of a technological revolution. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming industries and reshaping the global workforce. Just as the steam engine revolutionized manufacturing, AI is poised to redefine how we work and live. This is not science fiction, it is happening now. AI is already automating tasks, improving efficiency, and creating new opportunities. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is rapidly changing our world. This transformation brings both excitement and uncertainty. It is essential to understand the implications of AI for the future of work. The impact of AI will be felt across all sectors. However, some industries will experience more significant changes than others. For example, manufacturing, transportation, and customer service are already seeing widespread automation. Jobs in these sectors are evolving, requiring new skills and knowledge. This is not a time to panic, it is a time for adaptation. By understanding the potential of AI and embracing lifelong learning, we can navigate this new era of work and create a more prosperous future for all. The rise of AI has sparked widespread concern about job displacement. While it is true that AI will automate certain tasks, it is crucial to remember that AI is a tool. Ultimately, humans decide how AI is developed and implemented. AI is particularly adept at performing repetitive and rule-based tasks. This means that jobs involving data entry, assembly line work, and basic customer service are likely to be automated. However, AI also has the potential to augment human capabilities. Rather than replacing jobs outright, AI will transform existing roles. Workers will need to adapt by developing new skills and embracing collaboration with AI systems. For instance, doctors can use AI to analyze medical images, allowing them to focus on patient interaction and complex diagnoses. The key to thriving in the age of AI is to focus on skills that are uniquely human. Creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving are all areas where humans excel. These skills will be in high demand as AI takes over more routine tasks. The job market of the future will be characterized by rapid change and technological advancement. To navigate this dynamic landscape, individuals must embrace lifelong learning and adaptability. Traditional education models will need to evolve to keep pace with the changing demands of the workplace. Students pursuing 2- to 3-year courses may face uncertainty as the job market evolves. It is essential to choose fields that are less susceptible to automation and to focus on developing transferable skills. For example, skills in data analysis, digital marketing, and software development are in high demand across various industries. In addition to technical skills, soft skills will be increasingly important in the age of AI. Communication, collaboration, problem-solving, and critical thinking will be highly valued by employers. These skills are essential for success in a workplace where humans and AI work side by side. It is also crucial to stay informed about emerging technologies and trends. By staying ahead of the curve, individuals can position themselves for success and adapt to the evolving job market. The education system plays a critical role in preparing students for the future of work. To meet the challenges and opportunities of the AI era, education must adapt and evolve. This requires a shift in focus from rote memorization to critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. Integrating AI into the curriculum is essential. Students should have opportunities to learn about AI, its applications, and its ethical implications. This will equip them with the knowledge and skills to thrive in an AI-powered world. Furthermore, education should foster a love of lifelong learning. In a rapidly changing job market, the ability to adapt and acquire new skills is paramount. Educational institutions should provide students with the tools and resources to become lifelong learners, enabling them to navigate the future of work with confidence. The future of work in the age of AI is full of potential. By embracing a growth mindset, developing in-demand skills, and fostering adaptability, we can create a future where humans and AI work together to build a more prosperous and equitable society.